Environmental advocacy groups are organizations that work to protect the environment and promote sustainable use of natural resources through public awareness, policy influence, education, research, and direct action. Their main goal is to influence governments, corporations, and communities to adopt environmentally friendly practices that ensure resources are used sustainably for current and future generations. Examples of environmental advocacy groups include Friends of the Earth International, Greenpeace, Worldwide Fund for Nature, WWF, and Environmental Defense Fund, EDF. 8 strategies environmental advocacy groups use to promote sustainable resource use. 1. Public awareness campaigns. They educate the public through media, documentaries, and social media to raise awareness about the importance of conserving water, forests, and energy. Example: WWF's Earth Hour encourages people worldwide to switch off lights for 1 hour to promote energy conservation. 2. Policy advocacy and lobbying. These groups influence governments to pass and enforce environmental laws and regulations that promote sustainable practices. Example: Greenpeace lobbying for bans on single-use plastics and stricter pollution control laws. 3. Community empowerment and training. They train local communities on sustainable farming, forest management, and waste reduction to help them use resources responsibly. Example: Friends of the Earth supports community-based forest conservation projects in Africa and Latin America. 4. Research and environmental monitoring. They conduct studies on issues like climate change, deforestation, and pollution to provide data that guides decision-making. Example: Environmental Defense Fund conducts research on carbon emissions and sustainable energy technologies. 5. Partnerships and collaboration. They collaborate with governments, private companies, schools, and international organizations to implement green initiatives. Example: WWF partnering with companies to ensure sustainable sourcing of timber and seafood. 6. Legal action and environmental litigation. They take legal measures against companies or governments that violate environmental laws or exploit natural resources unsustainably. Example: Sierra Club filing lawsuits against industries that pollute rivers or destroy protected habitats. 7. Promoting sustainable technologies and practices. They encourage the use of renewable energy, recycling, organic farming, and eco-friendly transport systems. Example: Greenpeace promoting the use of solar and wind energy to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. 8. Campaigns for corporate accountability. They pressure corporations to adopt sustainable production, reduce emissions, and be transparent about their environmental impact. Example: Friends of the Earth and Greenpeace exposing oil companies that contribute to deforestation and pollution.